Hi and welcome to my video. My husband and I made a quick video before our mustard drill, so it's a quick video of our cabin. We are on deck 1, room 457, and this is the ocean view room. This is our third cruise, so I was just going to show you what an ocean view would look like, and this is on Carnival Valor. I'm not sure how to say that, but it's a pretty decent looking ship. Like I said, this is our third cruise, and we always get ocean view, but I think next time we're gonna get a balcony because this is our window and it was kind of gross the whole time, so we weren't able to take pictures like we normally do. So yeah, this is a lot bigger than it looks on camera, and the bathroom here is always the same every cruise we went on, but I'm not sure about what they look like on the balcony or suites or whatever, or interior, but yeah, this is it. It's pretty simple. There's a shower. It gets you by, and it's, it was clean, and there's plenty of space for your things, and that's it. Thanks for watching.